Hi everyone, let's imagine this one. You are a full-stack developer, you already learned PHP, React, Tailwind, maybe even dabbled in Next.js. And now, AI is everywhere. Your feed is flooded with GPT-4 hacks, AI-generated UIs, and people saying, AI is coming for your job. So, what do you do? In the meanwhile, the AI tools keep evolving, and you are wondering, am I falling behind? And here is the truth. AI isn't going to replace developers. It's going to replace the ones who ignore it. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through a 4-stage roadmap, a system to go from AI beginner to AI expert, and explain how developer can use AI to win at work. No hype, no fluff, just real, practical steps you can use. And by the way, stick around until the end of this video. I've got a surprise just for you. And here is the stage 1. Pick an AI stack that actually helps you code. As a developer, you already know the pain points. Writing repetitive components, translating designs into clean code, fixing 2 CSS bugs that only show up in Safari, making your UI accessible, and document everything. The thing is, AI can help with all of this, but not if you are bouncing between 5 tools a day. So here is the first important step. Audit your daily workflow. What are the tasks that slow you down or drain your energy? Maybe it's a boilerplate code. Maybe it's explaining state logic to junior devs. Maybe it's a refactoring or writing test cases for complex UI interactions. Next, pick 2 AI tools to test focused on solving one of those problems. So you might try GitHub Copilot for autocomplete and boilerplate, or ChatGPT for documenting stuff, or some another AI tools. Then simply go deep and not wide. Pick one task, one tool, use it every day for 7 days straight. No hopping and no switching. Just focus and track the actual time you save. And here is the stage 2. Prompt like a lead developer, not a casual user. Most devs prompt like this. Write a button component in React. Sure, it works, but that's like using VS Code to write a grocery list. If you want to unlock real power from AI, you need to learn how to prompt like a pro. Here is the 4-part prompting framework for developers. The first, the role. Tell it who to be. For example, act like a senior front-end engineer with 10 years of React experience and strong UX skills. 2. The context. Give it your design system, your component structure, Tailwind config, accessibility rules, and even your product goals. 3. The command. Be specific. Create a responsive model component that meets accessibility standards and uses Tailwind CSS and also supports keyboard navigation. And the 4. The format. How do you want the output? Ask for a clean, functional React component with inline comments and also suggested test cases using your testing framework. And here is my pro tip. And if it's done, once you get a result you like, ask AI again, what's the most efficient prompt to get this result again? That's how you train yourself to get better and faster and work smarter and not harder. And here's the stage 3. Build a personal AI learning loop. The AI space moves so fast. Tools update weekly, Models improve overnight. If you don't build a personal learning rhythm, you will fall behind really quickly. Here is how to stay sharp without burnout. You can make this on the daily basis. Tune your algorithm. For example, go to YouTube, Twitter or Reddit and search for things like AI for React, Tailwind AI workflows, developer AI tools, and so on. This should be related to the AI and engage with the content so your feed adapts. And you can make this on the weekly basis. Connect with other devs. Also DM someone working with AI workflows. Set up a 15-minute Zoom or async chat, or just share ideas. What did you build this week? What is working for you? Just a simple question. And monthly, you can do the following. Do a tool audit. Check your AI tools, what you are using, and look at your workflow again. And you can ask, what still feels slow or frustrating? Can AI help with this now? The answers keeps changing, often for the better. And here is the last stage. Stage 4. Stop thinking like a coder. Start thinking like a director. Let's be honest. AI isn't replacing code. It's replacing coders who can't orchestrate. Here is what AI still can't replicate. The vision. Knowing what to build and why it matters. The taste. Recognizing great UI, readable, maintainable code, fast loading, accessible pages. And the care. Mentoring teammates, improving DX and UX, leading with intention. So if you are still manually fixing every CSS bug, you are falling behind. You can do instead. Automate the repetition. Delegate the refactoring. Let AI handle the repetitive parts. And you can focus on architecture, design system, component abstraction, and think like a builder. And most importantly, simplify complexity. Be the dev who makes things clearer and not more complicated. Ask yourself each week, did AI save me time this week? Is my output higher quality? Am I building smarter or just typing faster? AI isn't the threat. Being stuck in outdated habits is. Remember, Uber didn't replace taxi drivers. It gave regular people access to a better system. Today's AI native devs aren't necessarily senior engineers. They are just the ones who are curious, fast, and willing to adapt. If you are still coding like it's 2020, you are playing defense. But if you start using AI with intent, you are building leverage. And now, as promised, here is your special giveaway. The first 15 people who subscribe and like, and additionally leave a comment under the video and explaining how AI has helped them personally, will receive a 6-month free JetBrains ID license from me, including full access to the AI assistant tools. It's my way of giving back to the developers community and helping you level up even faster. So don't just watch, take an action, connect and let me know your story. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest in the dev world. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.